Hello, quick video showing the engine oil service on a Vauxhall Astra. I'm going to start by getting the engine warm up to temperature so that the oil is thin. Obviously you're going to have to pop the bonnet. So this is a 2000 model year Vauxhall Astra G 1.6 single cam 8 valve petrol with the automatic gearbox. Others will be very similar. You're going to need to get underneath it, so you can either jack it up with a trolley jack and use like axle stands, or like this, you can get up on the ramps. Obviously make sure the handbrake is on, it's in park. You can turn the engine off once it's warmed up. And obviously get the oil drainer underneath. Take the oil filler cap off and pull the dipstick out. On this is the left hand dipstick, the right hand one is for the gearbox. That is the oil filter location down the front of the block. The sump plug is a 19mm. So get underneath, crack the sump bung undone, and then leave that to drain for 5 to 10 minutes, as long as possible. While that's draining, you can undo the oil filter and take that off, as you'll see. I'm using here is the oil filter wrench, which is a claw type that you attach to a ratchet, and them claws clamp around the metal body of the oil filter as you turn in the ratchet and undo the oil filter. It's normal thread on this, so lefty loosey, right tighty. Obviously once you've taken the oil filter off and let the oil drain out of that, then you can fit the new filter by hand, just tighten it up by hand, put a little bit of oil on the new seal on the filter. Make sure you've got your oil drained underneath, as a lot of oil does come out of the filter. Like I say, once you've got that out, put your new one in, hand tight, refit the sump bung, and then you can fill it with oil. Obviously not fill it, but up until the higher mark on the dipstick. There you go, all done. So this engine should take 3.5 litres of 10W40 engine oil. Now this car was actually given to me, and I've made some clocks and a little memorial piece out of the engine parts, as you can see. If this has been useful, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.